Alex. Oh, Alex, Rio. Both are here. They are searching something from the morning. I don't know what they are searching today, but this Alex, green one, actually looking for something. So he is today in search of something. Rio. Oh my God. See this. Alex. The green one is Alex. Whenever I take his name, he just come out and find out me and try to find out me. Now in front of me there is mobile, because I am shooting this video, so he is not able to see me. So whenever I call him, he try to look up to me and try to find out. Alex. Oh, today he is trying to get something. Alex. Yes, baby. I'm here. Yeah. Alex, I'm here. Yeah. Alex. Yes. Come. Both are sitting, enjoying. Very cute. Whenever I see them, I always admire. So beautiful lovebirds. No one can beat the beauty of these. So innocent, so lovable. They enjoy a lot altogether. They really love to each other. That's why they are lovebirds. See? Rio, Alex, Rio. He's in search of something. Alex, what are you doing? He's looking up. Trying to find out something to cut, actually. He loves cutting. No. आज भूख नहीं है. Today, now they don't need food actually. Not like. Okay. Bye.